Hello guys, in this video we'll be doing an unboxing of TNT's Gemini Family Selection box. I've had a quick look around on YouTube and nobody else seems to have done an unboxing on this yet, so I thought that I'd do one myself and show you all what you can expect to find within this set. So this is obviously classed as category F2 and the entire box has an NEC count of 204.1 grams. The noise level on this box is rated as 3 out of 5 and this box contains 17 fireworks which consist of 1 wheel, 2 rockets, 2 mines, 2 shot tubes, 3 Roman candles and 7 fountains. I purchased this box for under £5 and don't expect much from it, but at the same time I can't see myself being disappointed. So we'll get the lid off and we'll take a look at the contents. So there seems to be a nice variety within this box. Firstly, we have a fireworks safety lighter. I never recommend using these and would always recommend using a port fire as they give far better results. So there's a nice 5-shot Roman candle here called Fireball Candle, and this has an NEC count of 3.8 grams. There's a tiny little pinwheel here called Orbit, and the performance reads red light spin to silver light spin. This has an NEC of 4 grams, and from my experience this type of wheel is often very hard to get spinning. So we have an Outburst mine here and the performance reads red stars with crackles. This piece has an NEC count of 4.5 grams and feels fairly light. Even lighter still is this Crackling Glitter Sparkle fountain. This has an NEC of 10 grams, which is surprising, and I'll be interested in seeing how this performs. So this piece is called Large Comet Bomb. The NEC count on this is again 10 grams and it says that it should be buried to this line. This piece has no performance description, so I'll be intrigued to see what that does once lit. Similar in size is Critical Mass, and this is another mine firework. This has an NEC count of 15 grams and the performance description simply reads colourful stars. We have the smallest firework out of this box here with TNT Sunburst. This has 8 grams of net explosive content and is classed as a category F2 fountain. We have another fountain here called Glittering Shower. The performance reads silver glitter with crackles and this has an NEC count of 12 grams. So we have a shot tube here called Magic Comet. This one has an NEC of 5 grams. So larger in size is Lock On. This is category F2 with an NEC of 20 grams. This one feels fairly decent in weight and much heavier than the others. So this Amber Alert is unusual in shape and size. The performance reads beautiful golden rain, orange stars and yellow flowers. So it's nice to see orange colour in a box of this size. The NEC count on this one is 36 grams, so that's fairly respectable. We now have World of Colour. Again, this is a fountain, so this box is fountain heavy, but most of them are. and this one has a very respectable net explosive content of 25 grams. We have two more Roman candles here, and this one is called Pearl Shots. This is a 3-shot candle and it has 2.4 grams of powder. We then have Crackling Shots. Again, this is a 3-shot candle and this one also has 2.4 grams of net explosive content. So the largest piece out of this box is Popcorn Fountain. This has an NEC of 37 grams and it does feel over packaged. It's also surprising to see that it's not a battery of fountains. So finally we have 2 rockets in this box and these are called Sky Riders. The NEC count on these are 4.5 grams each, and I presume that these bottle rockets simply whistle with a little starburst at the end. So that's it guys, that's the Gemini Family Selection box by TNT. For £5 I feel that it offers good value and I am looking forward to lighting this. So like always, thank you for watching and I'll post up another video soon.